Thanks for taking a closer look at the MDWDRC2-Native Dynamic Range Controller. We're pretty proud of it, and we think it's very powerful. But we'd like to get you started with something simple. So just starting, I want you to set up a signal generator into the MDWDRC2, set bypass on the signal generator, set the threshold to 0 on the DRC2, and set the main compression gain to 0 on the DRC2. Notice that the meter is reading a net gain of 0. It's the line between the green and the gray. And that is pretty much always the instantaneous compression gain. Then we're going to raise the main compression gain 10 dB. The current instantaneous gain is still indicated on the meter, and it is plus 10 now. Lower the threshold to minus 20. And then unbypass the signal generator, and you'll note that we now have a compression, a gain reduction of 10 dB, and the output is 0. Notice that we have the indication of a 10 dB gain reduction, and we see the main indicator has turned green. Let's see what that looks like on the actual session. Okay, we're going to set it up the same way. Threshold of 0. Main compression gain we're going to raise to 10 dB. If we now turn on the signal generator, we'll note that we have minus 20 in, 10 dB of gain in the DRC, 10 dB of gain, right? If we change this, we see that we're adjusting the gain, and we see Pro Tools metering going up and down. Here's 10 dB of gain. And the meter is plus 10, as I said. And now we're going to reduce the threshold. The threshold should be set at minus 20, so we'll take this down to minus 20. And we have an input of minus 20, a gain of 10 dB, and an output of minus 20, or thereabouts. That's a starting point. If we notice, if we take note of, in fact, if we bring the signal generator up and down, we see the blue bar getting less shallow and more shallow, and that is the instantaneous gain reduction as we turn the output of the signal generator up and down. Simple, no?